Alright, the workbench is done and in service at the moment. I made it the same height as this other little table I found, a butcher block table that I picked up actually outside of a trash area. Just tightened up the legs, and that thing's been a nice little workbench while I worked on this one. So it's fairly simple construction. It took me a while because everything takes me a while, but it's got these horizontal pieces there, 2x4s, holding it together. Just horizontal pieces in here with some one by 1 inch cleats there, and then those aren't nailed down or anything. They're just 1x6s, just cut to length and fit in there. Nice handy shelf. The legs are 2x4s screwed together there, so that I didn't have to do, because I had 2x4s and I didn't have 4x4s, and it also made it easier to build in these cutouts rather than having to notch them out as I would have had to do with if I had 4x4s. But you could do 4x4s. 2x6 top, nice and solid there. Got some boiled linseed oil on it, and then my tool tray, or a tool well here that I didn't think originally I'd be able to do it, but I managed to kind of cobble one together. So it's kind of small. I'm going to have a slider panel that goes over it here, but just a nice small well in the middle of the bench, so that if I'm working, I can, just drop a tool in there, like something like that, or a chisel that I wouldn't want to accidentally sweep, with your workpiece. You move your workpiece around and knock over one of your nice chisels onto the ground there and ding up the blade. So anyway, I got my tool well. I got it all put together. Mistakes were made, as always, but it's serviceable and it's sturdy. I could hop up there for sure and dance a jig on that, which I just about wanted to once I got it all together. So there it is.